Welcome to Quick Revision, where we post a past exam question every day to support you getting ready for your GCSE exams. How does it work? Well, it's really, really simple. You just pause on the question, give it a go, play for the solution, and if things haven't gone as well as you'd have liked and you need a full walkthrough, then you just carry on watching the video. If you like what we're trying to do here, please hit the like and subscribe button. Hi, today's question is a grade 3 question. It was 3 marks and came from a calculator paper. So hit pause and press play when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, so this question clearly states that there are 22 out of 45 workers that are male, and that's the starting point for this question. So we're going to fill in 22, and then 45 take away 22 gives us our female. The next piece of information that we're given is that 16 of the 34 right-handed workers are female. Now, right-handed has a total of 34. And we know that 16 of them are female. So we can enter that in. And then you can either find your left-handed or you can carry on with your right-handed. I'm going to find the left-handed first. So 23 females take away 16 right-handed is 7 left-handed. And then 34 take away 16 leaves me 18 right-handed people that would be male. Finishing it off, 23 take 18 gives you your 4. So it's all, key skill is take away and add. Just remember that the 2 circles add to make the one in front of it. All right, hopefully that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.